So if you've been following along to our newsletter, your insurance IQ has probably skyrocketed. You know why replacement cost is different than the fair market value. You know what kind of liabilities you should be carrying and what you're covered for. So we're talking this week more about the home buying market. And you might be wondering, if I'm not buying a home, why does this matter to me? And if you are in the midst of it, you're probably in the midst of a neck-breakingly fast escrow process. And we want to talk to both of those experiences. First, with the escrow process, you're going to need insurance quickly, but insurance isn't always a fast process. If you want to make sure you have the best policy at the best price with the best amount of coverage, you want to be able to shop the market. And a lot of times, that might mean you have to go through underwriters, and that might take a little bit of time. Let's say if you're in a high fire risk zone, if you're close to the coast, or if you're just in a high value home. So you want to get your insurance agents involved as soon as possible in this home buying process, possibly even before your escrow agent even asks for an insurance policy, so that there's enough time to shop out the market for you. Now, for those of you who are not in the home buying market, already own a home, or are hoping to get into that, how does this affect you? Well, our home boom right now is mainly due to a lack of supply. So, your value in your home of the lumber, the electrical, and the labor required to rebuild it back up to that level are increasing. And so the replacement cost of your home is increasing. And that's something you want to stay on top of. Because if you drop below 80% of that value, your insurance, even though it's the same price, loses its efficacy to cover you. And they actually require you to pay more if something ever happens. Now, for those who are not in the market and wondering how this affects you, well, the more people who are getting into this market means a larger pool of people to insure. And with the law of large numbers, they're more able to accurately predict the likelihood of a loss. And that affects other types of homeowners insurance, like renters. So the liability cost is probably going to be dialed in and a little bit more accurate to your demographic as this goes on. So market boom in the housing market actually has a lot of ripple effects in insurance. So keep following along, read through our newsletter, subscribe to that, subscribe to this channel. We've got more coming along your way. Thank you.